What if all the lightning on Earth struck the same place at once? Lightning is one of nature's most powerful forces, with around 8.6 million lightning strikes occurring on Earth every day. But what if all of these lightning bolts, every single one, struck the exact same place at the same time? The result would be nothing short of catastrophic, creating an event that would be unlike anything humanity has ever witnessed. 1. The power of a single lightning bolt. To understand the magnitude of this hypothetical scenario, it's important to first grasp the power of a single lightning bolt. A typical bolt of lightning carries about 1 billion joules of energy, which is enough to power a 60-watt light bulb for over 6 months. The temperature of a lightning bolt can reach up to 30,000 Kelvin, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. The intense energy and heat of a single strike can cause fires, melt metal, and vaporize water instantly. 2. The combined force of 8.6 million lightning bolts. Now, imagine the energy from 8.6 million lightning strikes concentrated in one spot. The combined energy would be 8.6 trillion joules. The heat generated would be unimaginably high, potentially creating a firestorm that could incinerate anything in its vicinity. The air around the point of impact would be superheated, causing a massive shockwave that could level buildings and spread debris over a vast area. 3. The impact on the ground. If all the lightning on Earth struck the ground in the same place, the impact would create a massive crater, similar to those formed by large meteorite impacts. The ground would be vaporized, and the surrounding area would be subjected to intense pressure, leading to earthquakes and potentially triggering volcanic activity if the strike occurred near a fault line or volcanic region. 4. Global environmental consequences. The environmental impact of such an event would be severe. The intense heat and energy released could ignite widespread fires, releasing massive amounts of smoke and ash into the atmosphere. This could block sunlight, leading to a significant drop in global temperatures and triggering a lightning winter, similar to the nuclear winter scenario. The resulting climate disruption could have devastating effects on agriculture, ecosystems, and human survival. 5. Electromagnetic disturbances. Lightning also generates electromagnetic pulses, EMPs. A single lightning strike can cause localized EMP effects, such as disrupting electronic devices and power grids. With all the world's lightning focused on one spot, the EMP generated would be massive, potentially disrupting communications, satellites, and power infrastructure on a global scale. The resulting blackout could plunge the world into chaos, affecting everything from emergency services to global financial markets. 6. Theoretical possibilities and precautions. While this scenario is purely hypothetical and highly unlikely, it serves as a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of respecting and understanding natural forces. Lightning is unpredictable, and while we cannot control it, advances in technology and early warning systems can help minimize the damage caused by lightning strikes. Conclusion. The idea of all the lightning on Earth striking the same place at once is a terrifying thought experiment that illustrates the immense power of natural forces. While such an event is extremely unlikely, it highlights the importance of preparedness and respect for nature's raw power. In the end, this scenario serves as a reminder that even the most powerful human-made structures are dwarfed by the forces of the natural world.